Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by checking why you see LTE. The iPhone 11 hardware was released without 5G radios, so changing a software setting won't add 5G. Once done, make sure you've updated iOS and backed up your data. This avoids surprises if you swap devices or SIMs. Contact your carrier to confirm your plan includes 5G and ask about compatible SIM or eSIM activation. If your carrier insists you need a 5G-capable phone, prepare to upgrade hardware. You should next inspect setting cellular data options to see available network modes. On a 5G-capable phone, you choose 5G Auto or 5G On. Since iPhone 11 lacks 5G radios, you'll likely find only LTE options, so trying settings confirms the limitation. At this stage, discuss alternatives with your carrier, device upgrade programs, trade-in credits, or temporary 5G hotspot rental. Make sure to compare costs and data performance. Moving to a newer iPhone or Android phone is the practical path to true 5G. Finally, complete your chosen route. If you upgrade to a 5G-capable phone, restore your backup, activate the new SIM or eSIM, and enable 5G in cellular settings so you get the speed improvements. If you must stay on iPhone 11, try resetting network settings and reinstalling the carrier profile. Sometimes provisioning glitches block advertised features. If that fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to confirm your carrier has provisioned your line for 5G and that the device supports the carrier's 5G bands. Otherwise, LTE is the ceiling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.